Good morning, guys. I have Max here with me to help me out this morning. Today we are talking about capacity measurement. That means how much liquid fits into a container. So our different for customary units, our different units are a fluid ounce, which is about the capacity of a bottle of nail polish, a cup, which is about the capacity of a milk carton at school, a pint, which is about the capacity of a water bottle. A quart is about the capacity of a carton of orange juice. And a gallon is about the capacity of a milk jug. So our different units and their measurements. Fluid ounces is abbreviated FLOZ. That is not flaws like you guys always said in class. It is fluid ounce, FLOZ. A cup, which is abbreviated with C, is 8 fluid ounces. A pint, PT, is equal to 2 cups or 16 fluid ounces. A quart is represented with QT, and a quart is equal to 2 pints, 4 cups, or 32 fluid ounces. Oh my goodness, I can't talk this morning. 1 gallon is represented with GAL. That is 4 quarts or 8 pints or 16 cups or 128 fluid ounces. In our metric system, we use liters and milliliters. 1 milliliter is the smallest, and 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, just so you guys know that. So pick which you would use. The capacity of a washing machine, you would use a gallon. The capacity of a cereal bowl, you would use a cup. The capacity of a perfume bottle, you would use a fluid ounce. The capacity of a glass of milk, you would use a pint. And the capacity of a watering can, you would use a quart. Okay, let's talk about when we are converting from these. So when you're converting from big units to small units, like we know, we need to multiply. So if you are going from cups to ounces, you multiply times 8 because there are 8 ounces in 1 cup. And so on with these. For pint to cup, you multiply times 2 because there are 2 cups in a pint. Quart to pint, you multiply times 2 because there are 2 pints in a quart. From gallon to quart, you would multiply times 4 because there's 4 quarts in a gallon. Now here's where it gets a little tricky because these aren't on our normal list. If you are going from quart to cup, you need to multiply times 4 because there are 2 cups in a pint and 2 pints in a quart. 2 times 2 is 4, so I multiply times 4. And from gallon to pint, you multiply times 8 because there are 2 pints in a quart and 4 quarts in a gallon, so 2 times 4 is 8. I multiply times 8. Okay, I'm sorry. So when we go from small units to big units, you need to divide. We know that. And the measurements of your units are the same going down through this. You guys can always come back to this and look at it if you need to spend more time on it, but I'm trying not to keep this video super long. So if we were going to practice this, we would have 3 quarts and we're trying to go to pint. I know there are 2 pints in a quart, so I do 3 times 2 is 6. If we are going from 4 cups to fluid ounces, I know there are 8 fluid ounces in a cup, so I do 4 times 8 equals 32. I have 2 gallons and I'm going to quarts. I know there's 4 quarts in a gallon, so I do 4 times 2 is 8. There are 5 quarts. I'm making cups. I know there are 4 cups in a quart, so 5 times 4 is 20. Up at the top, we're going to be dividing. These are all smaller units going to bigger units. So if I'm going from 8 pints to quarts, I know there's 2 pints in a quart, so I divide by 8 divided by 2 equals 4. If I'm going from 24 fluid ounces to cups, I know there's 8 cups in a fluid ounce. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. If I'm going from 12 quarts to gallons, I know there's 4 quarts in a gallon, so I do 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And finally, at the bottom, I know that I have I have 40 cups and I'm going to quarts. I know there's 4 cups in a quart, so I do divide 40 divided by 4 and I get 10. All right, guys, please let me know if you have any questions. Oh, no, there's one more slide. Haha, just kidding. All right, if you're doing a 2-step conversion, step 1 is convert to the smaller unit. Convert your bigger unit to the smaller unit. Then you add for step 2. So Mary has 5 quarts and 3 pints of ice cream. How much ice cream does she have in pints? Step 1 is to convert my bigger unit to my smaller unit. So I take 5 quarts and I convert it into pints. I know there's 2 pints in a quart, so I do 5 times 2 equals 10. Move that down there. Step 2 is add. I have 10 pints and 3 pints. That gives me 13 pints. Now, if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to reach out to me later today. Hope you have an awesome